Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be looking at viral TikToks that are making a killing just by using TikTok. You know, no Facebook advertising, no Google advertising. They're only using TikTok and making a killing. You know how I know this? Because I have looked up their product and know exactly how much they're making. So in this video I'm going to explain you how you can do the same just by putting some time aside for you and making some effort to do the exact same thing these people have done. I'm going to show you how these TikTokers or dropshipping businesses are using strategies to get more engagement and eventually more sales. This is the most watched TikTok on their channel, and we're gonna just analyze it, how they're doing so well for this video. So obviously this is targeted at golfers, and they're just saying how it can be done indoors, what I ordered versus what I got. So this is literally such a hook. It's an amazing hook to get your buyers get excited, like, whoa, is he gonna get some fake weird stuff that people probably comes from China, and it looks like it's not. It does the job, and you're like, whoa, I have a golfer friend who loves to golf, so this product actually might just be perfect for them, right? So you got to keep in mind that this is something that your buyers are looking at, especially golfers, and going like, yo, this TikTok is actually entertaining. And we're going to look at how you can be selling the same product. This is their store. The name is pretty cool. It's called Power From Home. $39 USD. Okay, keep in mind they're selling for $39.95 US dollars. Now, if you go on AliExpress, I found it for you already. I can put all the links in description below. You can see this is being sold for $12. They're selling for $40. There is no shipping cost to United States. It will be there by August 10th. If you want to, fast shipping, obviously you have to pay more. I found a second one that has even faster shipping. I'm gonna go for something that's, less shipping time. So that's what we're always going for, and July 7th. So I would put this one in the link. This product is gonna do well around the year because it's indoor. You can practice golfing indoor. If it's snowing, raining outside, it doesn't matter. As you can see, it is really what a person who works in trades and a person who loves Marvel would really enjoy. This could be a best Christmas gift for a handyman out there. So again, one of the best TikToks I've seen because I myself love Marvel, and as you can see, they're being sold for $80 US, which is bonkers, but people out there would buy this for their significant other who love Marvel and also love trades and doing the handyman work around the house. Can be a male or female, especially with the new Thor movie coming out. Jane Foster becomes the Thor. So, this doesn't really apply to male gender anymore. This can be also female gender out there. So it's being sold for $38 and they're selling for $79. That's again 50% margins right there. That could be you, right? All you just gotta do is put the time, effort, and do the research. Make those TikTok videos like these people are making, and that could be you. You could literally be making this money right here. Alright, so this is for our third product. It's usually focused on people who love working out, and we know girls, guys, influencers who are really a gym, love going to gyms and like gym freaks, they would love this product. Even not gyms, but like people who are influencers. Like for example, as you can see it in this video, you could be taking selfies, things like that, Exactly. So this literally is for people who work out, people who are influencers, people who want to look good without having the headache of getting a cameraman or a tripod, things like that. So this is perfect for them, right? And let's find out how much it's being sold for. Alright, so they're selling the product for $24.95, and I found it on AliExpress for $2. So the profit margins they have are amazing on this. I cannot believe they're selling for $24, but people out there are probably buying this for $24 because A, it's being promised for faster shipping. Let's see what the shipping looks like to the United States. It's gonna be coming to $4. So you pay $4 for July 18. It's here in almost a month. So still a hefty wait for this product, but people out there are buying it because this is not a seasonal product. You can use this all year round, right? Like you could use it at the gym, outside, gym again, mostly in the gym, but you get the point. This one will blow your mind because I wasn't expecting it to be this crazy. And let's find the most watched TikTok. That's right over here. I was like, what is that? What could it be? A baby. Also, baby products do really well. Like, I don't care what people say. People will care so much about their baby that it does so well. Okay, so this video didn't actually do a crazy good job at explaining what it is, but as soon as you see that thing on his feet, okay, there we go. as soon as you see that little golf, golf like type of vibe on his feet, you're like, well, what is that? Well, I went on their website. It's actually an oxygen monitor for babies. So that is kind of cool in my sense. I don't know why the website, there it is. So that's what it looks like. It's an oxygen monitor. This person is using the worst quality images on their website, and they're selling for $30. So I was not able to find this on AliExpress, but I found it on Alibaba, and this is what it looks like. Right over here, that's on his feet. This is what it's going to look like. It's a bit bulky. I'm sure you can figure out a way to make it a bit smaller by talking to the supplier. But there you have it. That's the oxygen monitor that will blow your mind, because I personally have been, doing this dropshipping thing for a while, and I've never ever seen something like that. So that's really cool, in my opinion. I would really recommend you to look into that. It's Bluetooth oxygen monitor. Crazy. Okay, so this is a much better one. Right off the bat, it shows what it is. I like it, Picasso. Exactly, so this is exactly what you need your product to look like when you're doing ads. Right off the bat, show the product what it does. Then get the customer into it. So oxygen monitor, great. They've been very consistent with their post, and it's been around for, well, they keep going and going. Alright, so for our next one, here is the solar panel that charges. It's portable and foldable, so you can take it anywhere. Keep in mind, a lot of people are going to be going on trips and, traveling, especially to Asia or Europe, and this could really come in handy in Asia because you're in the mountains. I'm specifically speaking of Thailand, right? You're in the mountains, there's nowhere to go to charge, and all you have is heat, scorching heat on your back. And this could be a best product to take on a vacation, because that way you can charge your products or your phones or devices as you're traveling. So I was able to find that, not the exact same one, but a very similar one. It's being sold for $17, because that's what's sale. So $17 plus no shipping. You'll be here till by July 18. And if you see, obviously it's not the same one. Maybe this is a brand and I didn't look into that, but you could sell it for almost double the price, right? You could sell this for $50 easy, and people out there who you advertise it to using influencers or TikTok marketing would do really, really well. So that's something to keep in mind. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. It does really help me a lot. Thank you so much. Alright, thank you.